Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about a new platform in which you can earn money from and potentially, just make a few money from it. So basically, this is how the earning system works. You can earn via surveys. As you can see, there are multiple surveys, and this platform is very good for surveys because it's not like other platforms. Most other platforms have high disqualification rates and don't pay as much, but this one pays very well. And as you can see, I have done a total of 60 surveys and I've earned about £20. Obviously, this varies via country. If you're in the US, you could earn dollars, or Australia, it could be different for you. So it depends on your currency as well. So as you can see here, I've done a total of 60 surveys here and I've been paid for them. And if you go to rewards, as you can see, I've withdrawn about 4 times, and I've withdrawn first I withdrew £5, and that's just it. Basically, you answer surveys and you match it to the surveys based on your profile, and it has a very high disqualification rate, and you are very less likely to get banned from it. So we also have our gaming offers. You play games and you can earn as well. There are lots of offers over here. Yeah, that's basically it. And as you can see, I have a bonus activated here. So sometimes they do daily bonuses and all that. So potentially earn more. And one thing that is very good about this survey platform is that once once you do a survey, once you do a survey, if you get disqualified from the survey, which is very unlikely, if you get disqualified from the survey, you get reward for that. You could earn potentially up to £15 or £50 for a survey even after getting disqualified. So that's just it. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll be leaving the link to this platform in the description. And what you basically need to do is do surveys and earn money from them. And that's it. And this could vary via country, so it may not be available in your country, it may be available in your country. So I'm going to drop the link in the comments and in the description. If it's not available in your country, please do say in the comment section and know the country you're in, so other people won't want to waste their time. But I am very sure the survey platform is available in Germany, US, UK, Australia, and various other countries, up to 80 plus countries. And you can also do your research as well. But I'm going to be recommending this survey platform because it's very good.